So the app that I'm going to talk about this week is called Stop Motion. It is already in self-service, and the app is blue. It looks like this right beside me. This app is very, very similar to Flip-A-Clip. I know some of you have used Flip-A-Clip since Appy Hour or maybe used it before. Flip-A-Clip, you have to draw, and Stop Motion, you use props. So I'll use a pencil. You could use Legos, and you will see some examples here later on where have my students use yarn. And then I found one on Twitter where some elementary kids have used actual pieces of paper and landscape and then recorded it and moved the pieces of paper around. So there are tons and tons of ways you can use this. You can take it, you can export it to iMovie or Clips. So my suggestion would be, if you have a project, you can give your kids the choice of Flip-A-Clip or Stop Motion because they're so very similar. They will gravitate towards the one that would fit their creativity needs more. So those are my ideas on that, and here are some examples. So here in Stop Motion, again, is very similar to Flip-A-Clip, but we are using props instead. So you have slides here at the bottom. So I'm going to start just by taking a picture, and I'm going to kind of have the pencil move across the screen, or my pen. So I'm going to take a picture. Okay, again, you look down here and you have one slide, and then now we're on the next one. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to move my pencil a little bit. You can see my next picture like in the background. You see that pen right there? So this is my first picture. So I'm just going to move the pen just a little bit, and I'm going to take the picture again. And there's my picture. Now I can see my pen, so I'm going to move my pen some more. Take my picture. Move it again. Okay, so there, when I hit play, you should see the pen move across the screen. Okay, so now you can also add, stop that. You can also add voice recording behind it. So you hit the microphone and you're going to hit record. Watch the pencil move across the screen. Now I will tell you that the pictures go very fast unless you change how many pictures or frames are going per second. So if you need to do that, you're going to go to the gear shift, and here it tells you how many frames per second. So if you want your pictures to go really fast, you'll go 30, which means 30 per second. If you want them to go slower, you'll go down to, a lower number. It's kind of up to you. Kind of depends on how long you want the movie and maybe how the voice matches up with what's going on. So you hit done. Okay, the plus, you can add other things. You can add music to it. You can add other images. Remember, if you add other images, it's going to be a still image, and then you're going to have to incorporate that into some motion somehow. So that's kind of some more advanced stuff. So with the Stop Motion, again, like Flip-A-Clip, you can save it in your camera roll, and you can export it into Clips or iMovie. So in order to export it, you're just going to hold down on the one you want to export and go to your Share-O and go to Export Movie, and then it will save to your camera roll.